तो हेलो हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल गाइस। जैसे कि आप सभी को बताइए, हम लोग रेसिडेंट इवल 3 खेल रहे थे, बट मार्केट में एक न्यू पटाखा लॉन्च हुआ गाइस। रेसिडेंट इवल 9 आ चुका है एंड आई हैव इंस्टॉल्ड इट। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, भाई हम लोग टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे। एक मिनट में इसकी थोड़ी सेटिंग में चेंज कर लेते हैं थोड़ा। गाइस गेम स्टार्ट होता है हमारे एफबीआई ऑफिस से विद मिस्ट वेस्ट। कोई जगह है भाई। आई थिंक प्रोबेबली ये एफबीआई डायरेक्टर होगा कहीं ना कहीं ब्रांच का। ओह, मिसेस ग्रेस आ चुकी है भाई। फोर्थ विक्टिम। ऑफिस तो बढ़िया भाई। Raccoon City lockdown extended to 2040 भाई। US withdraws the treaty to prohibit bioorganic weapons। तो गाइस ये गेम शायद से इन फ्यूचर चल रहा है, अभी करंटली 2026 चल रहा है ना भाई।
Grace!
ग्रेस ग्रेस ग्रेस।
Grace Ashcroft.
Yes?
My office.
Oh, coming.
What is going on भाई?
If this is about the report you asked for yesterday, it'll be ready in 3. No, 2 days tops.
Put a hold on that for now. We found another body. One that exhibits the same pathology as the others we've been investigating. Now I need a good technical analyst on this.
Okay.
I need your eyes on the crime scene.
तो गाइस ये टेक्निकल एनालिस्ट है भाई हमारी ग्रेस।
Glenwood Hotel.
Glenwood होटल।
Look, I know that's where your mother was murdered. And I know it'll be upsetting for you. Alyssa died 8 years ago. Perhaps it's time for you to face the past. Confront that fear head on.
What
Grace.
can she do भाई?
I won't force you to go.
But you have
Do you
to
think
go.
you can do this for me?
ये फोर्स नहीं करना तो क्या है ये भाई?
Investigate that crime scene and report back to me with your findings. That's all for now.
That's all for now. The Greenwood होटल केस। ग्रीनवुड है शायद से, ग्रीनवुड मैंने बोला है। बट भाई जो थिंग है कि उसकी जहाँ पे उसकी मम्मी की डेथ हुई वहीं पे तुम भेज रहे हो, ये तो थोड़ा वैसा है ना भाई। तो पर्सनल किसी को भेज दो। Here she is. Here she is.
Sorry.
भाई साहब ये तो मिस्टर एक्स है भाई। मिस्टर एक्स का रेफरेंस भी दे दिया लोगों ने। ग्रेस ग्रीनवुड।
Give me a break.
It should be around here.
Sorry I'm late.
डिटेलिंग वैसे अच्छी करी है भाई। एक और मिस्टर एक्स।
Did you hear Eric was promoted? That asshole? What the hell are the managers thinking?
Hey ladies, what are you talking
He's
about?
a kiss ass who goofs off while we do all the damn work. I'd rather is so bad today. Yeah, can't remember the last time it wasn't. But the weather report said it was going to be clear for once. Guess they were wrong.
So, what happened with the missus?
ये लोग भाई अपनी पर्सनल बातें कर रहे हैं भाई, हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. What am I seeing? Missing reports of these people भाई.
Well, I'll never do it again.
No loitering is allowed. Sorry bro. हम लोग लग रहा है पास में गाइस. There you go my friends, there you go, we are here भाई. Brindlewood होटल को चेक करना है भाई. मैं तो नहीं जाता भाई, अगर मेरी वो मतलब कुछ बाय गॉड ग्रेस अगर ना ही हो हुआ होता तब भी मैं नहीं जाता भाई.
Hey, that's a restricted area. You can't go in there.
FBI bro, FBI, get the fuck out.
Why?
It's an active crime scene.
Oh, right. Sorry. Just a second.
Oh, you're FBI?
Yeah.
Investigating all these strange deaths, huh? This is the fifth one now, right? I heard they all have the same weird bruises. So you think it's something infectious or terrorism or... Why else would the FBI be investigating, right?
Who knows bhai, who knows? That's why I'm
Are you
here.
with me?
Oh, there might be answers inside.
Yeah, sure. Right.
Why is she so shy भाई? मतलब FBI में होकर आप इतना shy हो यार. आप भी चलेंगे क्या मेरे साथ अंदर?
Be careful in there. Whole building's condemned. Word is they're finally gonna bring the whole place down.
Yeah. Thanks.
ये नहीं आ रहा भाई हमारे साथ. हमारा आगे का सफर सिर्फ अकेले का भाई. Give me a second भाई, give me a second. चलो भाई.
Why am I even here?
डराओ नहीं भाई, डराओ नहीं. We are here भाई. What is this says? Employees only. Visitor please use the front door. But we are not employees. We are FBI. चलो भाई काम शुरू करना भाई हमें. Let's investigate भाई. What is this sound coming out of? I can play with it. चल इसको फुटबॉल खेलता हूँ. ले गोल तेरी ले. अरे बहुत बढ़िया. यहाँ पे कुछ भी हो सकता है भाई, सावधान. यहाँ पे गन भी तो नहीं दे रखी मुझे यार. खाली पड़ा है भाई. पढ़ ले से भाई. अब कुछ खा लिया. some kind of infection. ना भाई ये तो कीड़े लगे हुए इसमें भाई. छी भाई छी, ये कीड़े वाली जगह पे कहाँ ले आया मुझे यार. Something rotten inside? I don't think so.
I can't.
You have to, Grace. You have to. मुझे अपने डर का सामना करना पड़ेगा, Grace. बट सो तो यहाँ पे कोई जंप्स कर देते. मूव. चल भाई ग्रेस चल, डरना मना है। I can tap. You can check your acquaintance acquired item from the item menu and examine them for more details. Okay, okay. What do I have over here? Let's examine it. Investigation report. What's inside it, bhai? Read. Let's see it. Submitted by the FBI agent. Overall, on September 20th, 2026, at 11:20 p.m., the body of a man was found at the abandoned hotel at the Midwest city of Ringwood. The body was discovered in the hotel's restroom. Based on the level of decay, it is suspected to be there for several days. Prior to this incident, multiple cases of similar mysterious deaths had been reported at the location across United States. Arre bhai, M. Ramosi pronounced dead at Stonewall's Hospital. Pronounced dead at the hotel. इतने लोग dead at the. देखने ना सब लोग infected. Every one of them is confirmed that all identical victims are the survivor of Raccoon City incident. Victim's body had an extended black bruising mark. It means someone torched them, भाई. किसी ने इनको बहुत बेरहमी से मारा भाई. इनको पहले तड़पाया गया, अच्छे से ब्रूज किया गया. लो भाई लो. Meet me at room 204. We got the keys, guys. We got the keys.
Who's there?
गन निकाल, गन. ओह, कोई भी आ सकता है बे. ओह,
What do I do?
पूछ क्या दिया है? ये तो बिल्कुल ही गधी है भाई. पूछ रही कि क्या करूं मैं. अरे तू क्या कर रही भाई, तू गोली चलाना. यहीं पे थे क्या? हम यहीं से आए हैं भाई. लेट मी चेक फॉर समथिंग. समवन स्क्रैच्ड इट भाई. पूरी जगह को बिल्कुल. अबे भाई संभाल के रहो भाई, कुछ भी हो सकता है यहाँ पे. लेट मी फाइंड. यहीं पर एक बॉडी मिली है. सस्पेक्टेड बॉडीज ओवर was found over here भाई. Now dude, I won't check that area. I know it what is inside it. ले भाई ले. छी भाई. बच के रहो भाई, कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे. ये पूरे प्लेस को जला दिया गया है क्या भाई? I haven't find anything over here भाई. I have to use the key. ये अलर्ट भाई, ये तो कुछ करेगी नहीं, पूछती रह जाएगी सबसे. क्या करूं क्या करूं. क्या कर रही तू? लो जाओ सीधा. ये क्या पड़ा है बे? What is this? Wrinklewood Hotel has been welcoming guests all over the walks of life since opening door at 1920. It experienced a wall embrace of nearly a century worth of history. ठीक है भाई, बट इतना कुछ खास नहीं है. Can I open it? Resident Evil 3-2 में तो मैं खोल पाता था, वोल्ट यहाँ नहीं खोल सकते हम लोग. चौकन्ना रहो भाई, चौकन्ना. We got some file, guys. To all the employees following that recent incident, management has been working hard and restoring the public's Unfortunately, due to the extent of the damage, it is unclear and it's possible to reopen. We apologize greatly for this impact. So guys, जितने भी मर्डर हुए हैं इसमें टोटल 4 to 5 मर्डर्स यहाँ पे इसी के होटल के पास में जो फाइंड हुए थे, उसकी वजह से जो ये होटल है उसकी रेपुटेशन इतनी ज़्यादा डाउन हो चुकी है कि जो बॉस है वो ये सब एम्प्लॉयज़ को मतलब एक नोटिस भेज रहा है कि अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये होटल बंद ही होने वाला है, तो आप लोग ना बो या बिस्तरा बांधे और दफा हो जाए ऐसे। तो अब हम लोग कुछ कर तो सकते नहीं है भाई। ये कॉर्पोरेट मजदूरों वाली लाइफ है भाई। तुम्हारा काम अच्छा चल रहा है बट सडनली एक दिन तुम्हें यहाँ कंपनी से बाहर निकाल दे रहे हैं विदाउट एनी रीजन। बी प्रिपेयर्ड भाई, बी प्रिपेयर्ड। यहाँ पे कुछ भी हो सकता है भाई। तो ये इतनी सू डरती रहेगी, कुछ काम नहीं करेगी, डरती रहेगी। डरने से क्या होगा भाई? डरने से कुछ नहीं होगा लाडली, डरने से कुछ नहीं होगा। आगे बढ़ो आगे। भाई बच के रहना पड़ेगा भाई। ये कौन है बे? ये कौन है? अरे भाई ये तो भैंसा मार रखा है यहाँ पे बे। ये संभल के, बिल्कुल संभल के। हेलो जाओ सीधा ते भण मेरी बात सुने, ले जा तू ते इश्क चूर ते मेरे बलो। यहाँ कुछ नहीं मिलेगा लाडले। इन फायर मार्क्स के नीचे भी कभी कभार गेम में मिलती है चीजें। यहाँ पे क्या है भाई? ओ वी गॉट द कटिंग वायर भाई, कट वायर मिल चुके हैं।
Shit.
भाई रात के बज रहे हैं अभी 10 भी नहीं, 11 बज गए भाई। मुझे ऐसा मत दो, मुझे हार्ट अटैक नहीं चाहिए। गेम इज अबाउट टू बिकम सीरियस भाई, संभल के। I can enter it. दो 203 है भाई ये। किसकी आवाज आ रही है भाई? कोई काम की आवाज नहीं है भाई, क्या कर सकते हैं। रेसिडेंट इविल 3 अक्टूबर 2018 19 तारीख को ये निकलने वाली थी बट नहीं निकल पाई सैडली। हेलो जाओ सीधा ते पढ़ मेरी बात। इज हियर एनीथिंग? ज्यादा कुछ मूवमेंट दिखाई ना तो अभी गोली चला दूंगा और तड़ मारूंगा ऐसे ऐसे टर समझ रहे हो? आवाज आई बे। समवन इज हियर भाई, समवन इज हियर। कुछ भी हो सकता है भाई यहाँ पे। ये तुम्हारी अम्मी लग रही मुझे भाई। अम्मी क्या, मम्मी बोलो, मम्मी। नो अम्मी, ओनली मम्मी। ग्रेस, ये छोटी ग्रेस क्या कर रही है यहाँ पे? मुझे लगा भाई पीछे से कोई भूत आ जाएगा। भूत भी क्या, ज़ॉम्बी आ जाएगा। अच्छा ये पास शो कर रहे हैं भाई। 8 years ago.
Anne,
Hi, Mom.
you have been on that thing all day.
Well, if you're gonna work so late.
Get some sleep, eh?
I'm almost done. Just a sec.
ये जूते बेड पे रख के ऐसे काम करते क्या भाई?
What you always do? Nag at me until I go to bed?
इसकी मम्मी वैसे फाइन शॉट ही है भाई, कुछ भी कहो।
Mom, phone. Mom.
It's right beside you.
Hello?
Miss Ashcroft?
Yes.
Who was it?
Dunno. They asked for Miss Ashcroft and then they hung up on me.
Rude.
Oh,
What the?
They're coming. Grace, we need to go.
Go where? Mom, what's going on?
what's
Hurry.
going on, bro?
Wait, who's coming? What's wrong?
We need to keep our voices down.
This is ridiculous.
Come on.
Tell me what's going on.
Now is not the time.
चली जा भाई, चली जा। जब बड़े बोलते हैं ना तो कुछ भलाई के लिए बोलते हैं।
Stay close.
Okay, okay.
Mom, wait.
Grace, come on, keep moving.
I'm coming.
Grace, hurry.
बहुत धीरे है यार ये।
Moving.
Coming, baby girl, coming.
Who's that?
चलो भाई, चलो।
What happened?
Oh, it's probably the electrical panel. It's 40 years old, so it doesn't take much to trip it. It's really no excuse, and I apologize for the inconvenience.
Close your
Oh, no,
hostel
it's
भाई।
fine.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
I should have it fixed soon. I just need to find my...
What the hell,
No, 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 Grace. No.
भाग जा यहाँ से भाई, भाग जा।
Grace,
They are coming.
stay close to me.
Are you gonna tell me what's going on? Mom, what are you doing?
Something important.
अच्छा।
What did you hide behind that painting?
I'll explain later.
Run, dude, run.
We need to find another way out. Grace, come on.
Coming, dude, coming. भाई ये मैटर सीरियस हो जा रहा है भाई। एक डेथ तुरंत हो
Come on
चुकी
in,
है।
Grace.
I'm calling the police.
No, don't go.
Hello? Yes, I want to report a murder. No, murders.
Grace.
Yes. The Renwood Hotel. Yes. Hurry, please.
इसको कोई बीमारी है क्या भाई?
The police are on their way.
हो कर रही है।
Oh, God. Mom, I feel like I'm going to throw up.
Grace. Grace, look at me. Grab my hands. Okay, look at me. Look at me. In.
Out, in, out, in, out.
Breathe in. And out. Oh, Grace. I promise you, I will explain this all to you one of these days. Grace. Please know that you are my hope. Never forget that.
What are you talking about?
Just. I love you.
I love you too.
Okay.
Mom, I'm scared.
No. We need to find a way out of here now.
But we don't have any of our stuff,
We
Mom.
can come back for it later, Grace.
I don't.
He is dead भाई. भाई साहब सीधा चाकू लेके गले में. Bad death, guys. Bad death. A wasted death. Present day. अच्छा तो यहीं पे वो कांड हुआ था सारा का सारा. ये उसकी मम्मी नहीं लग रही भाई. Don't pick anyone's phone भाई. क्या सर्च कर रही है? ओह, whose phone is this?
Hello. Who is this? I need to get out of here.
Yes, you need to get out of here, भाई. Someone else is coming too.
Something important. I'll explain later.
Oh, I have to find that file, भाई.
Where did you find that painting?
वो आने दो भाई. उसको इस बार अच्छे से पेलूंगा. रुको. आ जा भाई, आ जा. Where are you? मैं यहीं खड़ा हूँ भाई. इस बार मैं डरता नहीं भाई. इसको करो साइड. यहाँ से निकालो फाइल, जो फाइल छुपाई है. What is in this file, bhai? What is it? Work has settled down and we are heading at the new town the day after tomorrow. I'm thankful for my freelance work that allows me to work anywhere. But I'm worried about the Grace. It is difficult for her to make friends when we are constantly on the move. But maybe when we can spend little more time on the next town. Finished some research and stopped in the cafe when I noticed a hooded man and I could sworn he was touching me. Maybe I should just being paranoid. I saw a hooded man again. He was following me. He just only got here. I think we should move on. I can't let anything happen to Grace. There must be something else, dude. A CD over here. What will this CD do, bhai? लो आ गया.
Sorry, officer. What's wrong?
ये इन्फेक्टेड है भाई. ये भी इन्फेक्टेड है.
Stone.
Are you okay? What do I do?
गोली मार उसको खत्म कर. He is not the same, bhai.
I'm stuck! Oh, wait! What are you doing? Stop shooting!
अरे भाई खत्म हो चाबी ले चाबी ले चाबी ले we got the keys we got the keys
Get away! Get away from me!
कर ले भाई
Oh, shit! Stay away!
अरे गोली भी नहीं है मेरे पास दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल वुमेन भाई गोली भी इसकी गन ही पहले छीन ली किसी ने इन्फेक्टेड अभी से इन्फेक्टेड है भाई ये क्या ही कर लेगी ये There is upper buildings over here भाई गन ले ले भाई गन ले ले नीचे से जाके गन ले ले
Is anyone there?
वो तुझे ऊपर जाके पता चलेगा भाई Please try finding something भाई कोई वेपन तो ले ले यार ये भाई ये कौन है
Hello?
It hasn't been easy. But after much effort, here we finally are.
Who are you?
I'm the one who planted that body. I'm the one that brought you here. I know now that you're the one that I've been searching for. The special one. The
the
chosen,
chosen
one. Miss Ashcroft.
ये 6 फुट है 6.5 फुट है भाई
Rest now, Grace.
Leon is coming Grace Leon is coming
We have so
See what's gonna happen. अरे आगे 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 हमारा हीरो आ गया भाई, क्यों लग रहा है? Elbridge. Please don't tell me Grace is dead. यहीं पे मर गई.
Is this one like the others?
Well, same black watches.
And it's not post-mortem lividity.
No. No, this is different. That's 6 now. 6 survivors of Raccoon City, all dead from the same thing.
Yeah, that's not
भाई
good.
साहब.
No.
There you go. There you
No,
go.
it's not.
गाड़ी चमचमाती हुई गाड़ी. What a car, dude.
But I have something for you. The team has settled on a person of interest. Someone with ties to Umbrella. Victor Gideon,
Who is he?
a former T-virus researcher. Hey, I just got a report of a missing police officer. It might be unrelated, but he disappeared near where the 5th body was found. You there, Leon?
He is infected, भाई. He is infected. Leon is infected. भाई ये
Here.
बुढ़ा हो गया भाई.
You okay?
Send me the address.
Send me the address.
Check
क्या
it out.
गाड़ी लग रही चमकाती हुई. He's taking her, भाई. He's taking her.
You almost there?
Just about. Stuck in traffic.
There you go. There you go. Our Leon has find it.
To be shitting me.
He knows. He knows I am here, भाई. He knows.
What's going on? Is she okay?
Oh, she's fine. I'm just taking her home.
भाई ये सबको इन्फेक्ट कर दे रहा भाई यहीं पे.
Leon, what's your sit rep?
I'm going after Victor.
Don't do anything stupid.
Me? Never.
Whoa. Hey, what the hell, lady?
Help me!
Help me. He is.
What are you doing?
Oh. इस गेम का सबसे पहला ज़ॉम्बी मैं इससे मारूंगा. बहुत बढ़िया शुरुआत.
Get Redwood locked down.
अरे
Is it something
बहुत.
to do with Victor?
Yeah. He's the one to thank for all the excitement.
Here are everyone. हेल्थ जा रही है मेरी. We got some ammos. We got some ammos. चल 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 चल। Where do I have to go, भाई? चल आगे बढ़ो भाई। Let's see where we have to go, dude. वो जा चुका है भाई, वो जा चुका है।
Leon, have you located Victor?
No, I lost him. Back to square one.
Not necessarily. Victor purchased a building after Umbrella went under. The Rhodes Hill Chronic Care Center. I'll send you the address.
He
Leon,
is dying, भाई। Leon is dying.
we're running out of time.
I know that. ये क्या कर दिया इसके हाथ? Oh, he's taking blood from her.
What is this? Hey! Help!
I gotta stay calm. उसने ऐसे लटका दिया हुआ है इधर को।
Oh, yes.
अरे भाई कोई चोट पहुंचा रही है क्या? That's CI girl, भाई. That's CIA. Equipped to handle anything. No one is here, right? No one is here. We are at this bloody building, bhai. Begin elbow. Begin good extraction. Check the pulse. No abnormalities. Administration condition stable. Ready for examination. What is this, dude? There's a lot of blood. उसको मेरा blood क्यों चाहिए था भाई? Why did he need my blood, dude?